In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gemini app for photo editing, specifically focusing on the fascinating art of double exposure. This technique blends two distinct images into a single frame, creating a stunning, surreal piece of art. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, fire up your web browser and navigate to Google. This might sound rudimentary, but it's important to start at the beginning, especially for those who aren't regular internet users. In the Google search bar, type in Google Gemini and you should see several results. Once the search results appear, look for the Google Gemini website. It's pivotal to ensure you're visiting the official site to make sure your experience and the tools are secure and authentic. Click on this link and it should take you directly to the Gemini app's homepage. With the Gemini app page open, look for the Create Image option. You'll likely spot it quite easily as the user interface is designed to be very intuitive. Click on this option, which sets the stage for your creative venture. Next, we need to upload a photo. You'll do this by clicking on the plus sign icon, typically designed as a bold plus somewhere on the screen. Clicking this icon will prompt you to select an image from your computer. Choose one that you would like to use as the base for your double exposure image. This image will serve as the canvas on which a second image will be merged. Once your image uploads, it's time to get a little creative. Here, you'll be asked to provide a prompt. This is where your imagination truly gets to soar. Type in a description or an idea of what you envision your final double exposure image would look like. For example, you might craft something like this: a surreal fine art double exposure, blending the profile of an old man with a mountain landscape, symbolizing the harmony of wisdom, nature, and introspection. This step is crucial as it guides the app on how to merge your images, providing a blend that is more than just a combination of visuals, but a story. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, there's usually a submit button somewhere on the interface. Give that a click. The Gemini app will process your request, applying its powerful algorithms to create a unique double exposure photo based on the images and prompt you provided. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Gemini app to create a double exposure image. By experimenting with different images and prompts, you can create endless unique effects and artistic expressions. Don't hesitate to explore and refine your technique, as practice certainly makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.